Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for watching. Today we're going to tackle a random game, and I'm going to try my best to explain what I'm thinking and maybe teach you a trick or two. Let's go ahead and get started here. First off, I'd like to go for the columns. There's an ace I can move right here, and it looks like the only other move is a 10. We're going to hold off on the odds. I think we're going to move it, but you never know. We could have a decision tree. Good news is this 9 can be played, but not yet. We're going to save it as insurance. It looks like we can play all 3 of these cards. We're looking for a king. Okay, this is interesting. We can't. I feel like this 10 is going to be more valuable, but that's why we were holding it, just in case there's a different sequence here. Is there an ace of clubs? There was an ace of clubs there. Okay. Because there's an ace of clubs, I think it's okay to bring down this 2 of clubs. Otherwise, I would not do it. And we're going to have to get this ace of spades down as well at some point. There's the other 9. I think there was a 9. Was there a 9 in the front? Let's see. Yeah, there was a 9 in the front as well. So I think we're going to be playing those cards. Let's see just how this plays out here. Like, normally I like to play this 9 and 8, but the other one... Yeah, this is interesting. Yeah, there's a red 9 in the front, I believe, right? Yeah. So typically speaking, if there's 2 cards of the same, there's a red 9 of diamonds, and then there's a 9 of hearts in the back. That's what I'm looking at. The red 9 in the front is going to be more valuable, so we're going to play that. But the question is, what's underneath? Oh, there's 2 hearts underneath. So we're just going to play 1 card for now. The reason we're playing 1 card is we want to move this ace of clubs. I mean, that's the whole reason. Long end of the short end. And we're going to want to move the other 9. So next time around, we can move this 8, I think, because there was no 8. So we'll move the 7 there. And I think we can move under the jack. I think I'm going to wait till that. So, okay, we still have the 9, and we still have the 7. We can move the 6 under the 7. So we got a lot of moves in the front. That's what we want to do. We're going to start off with the ace of clubs here. And then we'll just cycle through here. There's a king. Okay. Red king's not bad. If we can find a queen, a black queen, we can move this jack. So that's the thought process there. Alternatively, we could have played this king as well. Yeah, let's just go with this right here and see how this plays out. Okay. Again, this is our insurance card. We'll play it as the last resort. We have the 5 of clubs. We can play that. We can play the 4. We can play this 3 right here, right? Okay. So now we got the 5 of diamonds uncovered. We will play the 2 of spades because this 2 of hearts is our insurance, I believe. So that's the thinking right now, anyway. This king's look enticing, but there's no real moves behind there. We need to uncover one of these columns here. I don't know which one. We need to do it fast. So we have 2 cards we can move. We can move the 6 under the 7, and we can move this 8 under the 9. I think that's going to be the play right now, actually. Yep, that's going to be the play here. So 2 of hearts up here. Now we're going to move the 9. I don't like to move all 3 of those, but there's no moves behind there. If there were moves behind there, then I would hold off on there. So we're moving all 3. We're taking a huge gambit here. We're basically hoping we can find something under these 2 cards. So let's see the 6 of diamonds first. That's a queen. Okay. That may... Seeing this may make us want to take back the king and put a black king in place if we don't find a move. Moving the 8 here. And I think we can put the 3 of spades up. I guess it doesn't really matter either way. So there we have there. And the 3 of hearts we can move. We can move this jack. Okay, that's good. And we can move the 6. That's really good, because now we can move this 5 of diamonds here, and more importantly, we can also move this 10 of hearts and open up that column. Those are 2 big columns, so it may not be enough to get us out of here. So let's see what we have here. That's a beautiful card right there. That's going to open up this column here, and that means we can play king. I'm going to play this 4 hearts up top. Yeah, that'd be fine to play it up top. Now we have a choice. We have a big choice here. We have 2 10s. And, yeah, if this 10 would open up a column, I think I'd be inclined to this. But this 10 has got a big column, so there's a lot of cards under it, so it may be more valuable. Let's see what the 10 of diamonds does first. It gives us 4 spades. And, again, we're going to play it over here so we can move the 3 of diamonds. That's good. Okay. Got a good deal out of that sequence. Now we can move the 5 of hearts up. And we can still go back and we can still move this 5 of spades up as well. I don't know if you see the move. I'm going to show it to you. There's 2 4s. We need to move the 3 of diamonds over, of course. We'll do that. Now the 4 of spades goes up and the 5 of spades goes up. That gives us the 3 of clubs. That's good. We can move that up top. Now, of course, we can move this 10 over here, and we open up that column. But we need to continue to open it up. So we'll see if we can find another move here. This jack is going to be our insurance card. We're going to see what's behind there and figure out things here. We can play this king. We can play this 6. And, of course, we can play this queen over to here, I believe. And we'll play the king again. We're going to hold on to the jack. Not yet. Not going to play it yet. And what we need to figure out is we want to get this 9-8 sequence down here, I think. So, because then we can move to 7, I believe. So, may have gone too fast here. Let's see. Yeah, so we need to move this 9-8. We need to move 2 cards to get to this 9. So we're only going to play, and this is a mistake that can be made at the end of the games, is you just play all 3 cards blindly. So I play this card, play this card, play this card. And, well, it won't be a mistake this time because there is a red 9 under there. So, but if this red 9 wasn't there and we couldn't play this red 9, we'd be in trouble. So what we do in that circumstance, we'd hold on to this 10, we'd come back, and this 9 of spades would be the first card we'd see. That was the trick I was trying to show you here. So we can play this 9, we can play this 8, and, you know, but in this circumstance, it's going to be fine either way. But yeah, just something to watch out for, because that can cost a lot of games. A lot of games are lost that way. So, okay, now we got to be smart here. Let's see, we're going to move the 7 of spades there. Okay, that's the ace of diamonds. We can move that, but we really need a 2 of diamonds. And, oh, well, we can move this. We'll keep our fingers crossed that there's another move there. That's a move we can make. Okay, keep our fingers crossed still. We really need like a 2 of diamonds, I think would be a valuable card. There it is. There it is, the 2 of diamonds. We got that up there. And we solve it. So, got it done. Pretty cool. Not the hardest, but a little bit of a challenge anyway. Yeah, that's going to wrap this up. I'm signing out. I would like to thank you for watching and, of course, wish you good luck. If you want more tips, be sure to check out Solitaire Complete Tip Guide if you have not already. I also have an entire playlist on my channel full of Solitaire tips. So thanks for watching.